Are you looking for a solar energy expert? Perhaps you already live in your dream home, and now you think, wouldn't it be great to have more energy options? Right? Here are 3 tips that will make it way easier to find the right solar energy solution for you and your needs. First, figure out your energy needs. Do you just want some backup power? Or are you looking to just completely get off the grid altogether? Once you have an understanding of that, the second thing is to see what kinds of local and federal credits may be available to you. In some cases, you can likely get as much as 50% savings, and we can help you with that. And third, work with a licensed solar power expert, someone who knows what they're doing. And I'm here to tell you, we know what we're doing, and we're here to help you. Whether you're looking for a small supplemental power solution, or you want to have a reliable backup power solution, all the way to getting off that grid with a total power solution, we specialize in all things big and small to help you with custom affordable solar energy solutions. So what are you waiting for? Your power upgrade awaits. And when you're ready to get a fast quote, get in touch with us. And let's unleash that solar superpower together.